wondering, how fast can I go back to work and how fast is the recovery? One of the best things about the Shave-Less FUE is the recovery. Most patients, especially if they do the procedure on, say, a Wednesday or a Thursday, can go back to work Monday. By that time, there shouldn't be a lot of facial swelling. The graft should be nice and clean. If you follow our washing schedule, there should not be a lot of visibility. The donor site should be completely undetectable with the Shave-Less FUE. So the good thing is, the recovery process is super fast. You don't have to take a whole week off from work, or 2 weeks. I've even had people say, oh, I took 3 weeks of work off. You have to look at our reviews to know that we're really working on making this just a little blip in your life and really get back to your lifestyle and your work as soon as possible.